It's week 3 of our class on sacraments, and we are starting on a new textbook together. Our basic textbook on the Eucharist is this fascinating book by Thomas O'Loughlin called The Eucharist, Origins and Contemporary Understandings. O'Loughlin is a Roman Catholic priest who teaches in England, and that makes it all the more surprising in the way that he develops and unfolds his argument in this textbook. We start with the first 2 chapters this week, where O'Loughlin looks at the diverse influences in the development of meal practices in the life of the early church, and also at the basic goal of both the meal and the text itself. In terms of the primary goal, O'Loughlin has a surprising and interesting thesis to offer us. He portrays a difference between what he calls a theocentric understanding of the meal and a Christocentric understanding of the meal. What he means by that is that over time, the meal and the Eucharistic prayer became primarily focused on the role of Jesus and upon kind of Christological emphases in the prayer. And he contends that in the early centuries, the primary goal was much more theocentric, in order to cultivate the practice of giving thanks to God as the primary goal of the Eucharist. So I invite you to read this kind of with an open heart and open mind to explore ways that might shape our own understanding and practices of Eucharistic prayer and the Eucharistic gathering. In light of our practices in class when we were together, I invite you to continue to press forward to claim the Eucharistic prayers of Eucharistic text as your own, to more fully embody them, and to be prepared when we gather again the next time in class to offer those as your own gift of ways that you can preside and ways that you can invite us to fully experience the richness of this prayer within Christian tradition.